Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will start with problem set 1. Now, I want you all to pause this video and quickly grab a pen and paper. We will discuss all the questions of problem set 1 and I want you all to simultaneously note down the answers as well. Let's start with the first question of problem set 1. The first question is, write the Roman numerals from 1 to 20. Now children, if you have watched the first video on Roman numeral, at the end I have explained how we are supposed to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 20. I hope you all remember children. So right now what you have to do is pause this video and quickly start writing the Roman numerals from 1 to 20. Do cross check your answers once you complete. Let's see what the second question says. Second question is, write the following numbers using international numerals. Now your children, they have given you some questions. Those are in the form of Roman numerals. And now you have to convert it into the international numeral form. Look at the first question. First question is what? V. V in the international form is 5. Second question is V and 2 i's. That means 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is 7. Next, third one is 10. That is very easy. In the international form, we will write 10. The next question is 10 I and I. So that means 10, then plus 1 and 1, which is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Look at the fifth question. 10, I and 5. Now again what we are doing? Here V and on the left hand side I is present. So what we will do? We will subtract 5 minus 1, which is 4. So 10 plus 4, which is 14. Sixth question. 10, V and I. That means 10, 5 and 1. We will add all these things, which is 16. Next question. 10, that is x, v, that is 5, I, which is 1, again 1 and 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 18. Eighth question. 10 is given and on the left hand side one I is given. If anything is present on the left hand side, we need to subtract it. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Let's start with the third question. Third question is, fill in the empty boxes. Now here the numbers are given and Roman numerals are also given. Now you have to fill up where and what will come. So first number is 3. How do we write 3 in Roman numerals? We write 3 i's. Second one 5 is given, that is 1 v is given and 3 i's are given. That means 5 plus 3, which is 8. Here you have to write, how you will write 6 in the Roman numeral? So 6 is what? 5, that is v plus I. So that means v and I makes 6. Next is 12. How it is 12? See here, one x is present, that is 10. 2 i's are present, that means plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next one, 15. How do we write 15 in Roman numeral? So we write 10, that is x, and 5, that is v. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Next one, this is what? This is 19. How it is 19? One x is there, I is there, and x is there. Now here I is present on the left hand side of the x. X is the greater number. So what we will do? We will subtract it. So 10 minus 1, which is 9. 10 plus 9 is 19. Let's look at the fourth question. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. Now here the numbers are given and you have to write it in the Roman form. First number is 9. How do we write 9 in Roman form? That is 110 and on the left hand side 1 I. Second is 2. That means we'll be writing 2 I's. Next is 17. How do we write 17 in Roman form? 1 will be 10, 1 5 and 2 I's. Next is 4. How do we write 4 in Roman form? 5 and on the left hand side we write 1 I, that is 5 minus 1, which is 4. Next is 11. What makes 11? 10 plus 1. 10 is what? X and 1 is I. So X and I. Next is 18. 18, how can we write in Roman form? So 10, that is X, V, which is 5 and 3I, which makes 18. Let's look at the second question. What does the second question says? In the table below, each given number is written in international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. So they have written the numbers both in international and Roman form. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put a tick, and if not, put a cross and correct it. So first one is 4. How do we write 4 in Roman numeral? We write 1 5 and on the left hand side we write I. But here what they have written? They have written 4 times I. Is it correct? No. So that means what we will put? We will be putting a cross mark. Next one, 6. Is 6 written correctly, children? Yes. Next is 8. Do we write 8 in this form? Is it correct? It is wrong. Next is 16. Is it correct? 110 is given, 15 is given and 1 I is given. So it is correct. Next is 15. Do we write 15 in this manner? Can we write 4 times or 3 times 5? Or that is V? So it is wrong. So this completes the first chapter, that is Roman numerals. I hope you all understood, children. Now you need to practice it daily. Maths is all about practicing, children. If you don't practice, you will forget. Thank you for listening, children. Until then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye.